Hello, today I'll show you how to unblock a number on FOSSiBOT F101. Now, go into the phone app, Contacts. Go into Contacts, tap on the three dots next to the search bar, tap on Settings, and go into the block numbers. Now, I don't have any number, but if we, for example, add a random string of numbers, just so I can show you how it works, tap block, and here it is, a block number. Now to simply unblock it, just press the little X next to the number, and when prompted, tap unblock. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe if you want to see more.